Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's actually the next day. I figured I'd go ahead and put this in the same video since I'm not going to be out there very long. Couldn't sleep, so I got up like 6:20-ish, somewhere around there. Been up and down all night. Anyways, there's supposed to be some more rain hit around 1 o'clock, so I'm going to go ahead and head out, see if I can peek around. I'm going to go hit up Lake Georgetown. I've lived here for 3 years now here in Georgetown, and I still haven't been to that lake. So I'm gonna go put in over there and kind of kayak around, maybe fish a little bit, see what's going on. Y'all enjoy. Here's the crappy part about all this. The spot that I am going to put in at is on the other side of the lake. So I've got to drive all the way around this lake. And I always forget to throw this out there if there's anybody that goes kayaking out here in the Williamson County area, Austin area, anywhere close really. I don't mind traveling much. Or over in the Brownwood area, my hometown. Holler at me. If y'all want to go kayaking, I've got 2 extra kayaks. You can hit me up, we can find a time that we're both free, we can take them out, go have a good time. Well, like I've said, I've never even been here before, so I'm just literally following signs. It's really pretty over here though. So I think I'm gonna use their boat ramp. There's a couple other spots that I saw on Google Maps that I could have put in at, but looks like I might have to walk a little ways, and I'm really not feeling like walking very much. So I think this is the boat ramp. Let's pull in here and see. Yep, and look, there's 2 fellow kayakers out there. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna go put in the kayak real quick, go park the truck, and we'll see what happens. Y'all can hear me from the wind, but back there is some little falls, or maybe it's over there. I think it's back there. Some little falls that we'll go check out on the way back. This way back here is part of the San Gabriel River. I'm gonna go back there a little bit and see what's back there. Dock up and fish some of this. I'm gonna try to throw a little bit of both of these. Dang, it's pretty over here. Look at that. I'm going to video this because it might be an epic fail, but I'm going to try to get that swim bait that somebody stuck up there. I'm thinking that if I can get here, I can use these to help stabilize. Oh yeah, there ain't no way in hell. Swimmers, not even hooked. How stable is this? I'll try to climb it. Is there anybody watching? Nope. Oh, I need my scissors. Retrieval. Retrieval. Look at that. Get my kayak back in front of me. Just left from over there. And the little branches and everything. We're gonna head over to the little falls area and then go ahead and head back up to the ramp, get showered up and everything. See y'all in a bit. I'm gonna end up picking up one of these. There's gonna be a damn snake under it. Watch. Trying to oh, there's a freaking frog. That's a big boy too. Is he alive? Yeah. That's a big old frog. I'll try to make some steps. No snakes. No snake. This is freaking beautiful. Whoa. How cold is this? Oh, it's freezing. We going in. Oh, it's so cold. It's so freaking cold. Look at all this inside of here. Oh, it's dripping all in here too. This is so freaking cool. That is freaking freezing. This is beautiful. Well worth the kayak today. Realize that this goes off up here too, so since we're here we'll go ahead and see some of this. Oh yeah, goes through a little pathway. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's see if we can get down without busting our butts. I want y'all to realize that I'm doing all this in flip-flops. Beautiful, beautiful spot. Whoa! Oh, y'all seen that one. Oh, and that one. Ow. Yeah, that hurt. Now I gotta wash my damn butt off. I'm sure I got all kinds of crap on it. Alright, let's get back where it's safe where I don't hurt myself anymore. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but there's a freaking smallmouth right there. I can see it. And it's kind of frustrating because all my stuff's in here. I don't know if y'all can see him. He's right there. I bet if I step onto here, it'll spook him away. No, not yet. Let's see if he wants a worm. Oh, he's backing out now. I'm gonna cast across and work that worm this way. Oh, he's going away already. Dang. Should go right in front of it. Got him. Got him. Freaking got him. Holy crap. Yes. 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 All right. Chill. Buddy. Holy crap, he is a largemouth. I thought he was a smallmouth. Yes! Yes! This day is freaking awesome. Do y'all see this? The battery's about to die on my GoPro too, that's what sucks. How freaking cool is that? $14.5. Alrighty, let's let him go. See you later, bud. Oh, another one just came up and tried to get you go. Haven't been able to video anything because I somehow left all my other batteries for the GoPro at home. Went to go change it out after I caught that fish, and they weren't in my bag, so I'm hoping they're still on the counter in the kitchen. We'll see. I'll see y'all. That's it. We're heading home. Thanks for Georgetown to give us a fun little time. I'm not a huge fan of going out on lakes, but this wasn't all too bad. The place where the falls were at was just back there. I did kayak up and around this bend a little bit and go back into some coves. Check them out, really pretty view. There's people cliff diving over there, so I'll have to go check that out sometime. Thinking about seeing if some people want to come out this weekend and hang out over here at the swim spot. Hang out, cook out if they allow it. If not, do some sandwiches and stuff and bring the kayaks out, kayak around, show people the waterfalls, and if I can find somebody with some balls with me, go do some cliff jumping. Bam. Hope that all y'all enjoyed that little trip. I was only out here for about 2.5 hours. I'm gonna go head home and get ready for the barbershop. Anyways, if you liked today's video of good old Georgetown Lake, give me a like, subscribe, tell your friends, share it, okay? Okay.